Raamdeo ji, mistakes. I mean, what have you, not your biggest, but what has sort of stayed with you, impacted you, and molded you as an investor over the last 40 years?
Yeah. So what happens is when you start from zero, I started in 85, 86, literally with zero capital. So your mistakes, even if it happened earlier, the impact was very small in terms of financial terms. Now when we run thousands of crores, then your mistakes are also in thousands of crores. So then you start remembering them. So more recently, see, I would say ultimate growth investor kind of, mad growth investor like. So our formula is also QGLP, and now we have made it high quality, high growth. So even one step further. So our belief is that high quality combined with very high growth of 50-60% is not mentally it can't be digested. So markets will always be mispricing, but mispricing to start with, but eventually it misprices on other side also. So what happens is there is always a hype cycle. Any new segment when it starts, so like quick commerce started, before that it was digital companies, before that e-commerce, before that something else. So whenever new growth frontier starts in any economy, there will be massive growth because it will start from zero. Like this one, Bharti Airtel came in 2003. When mobile phone came, the month-on-month growth was 8-9%. So that was a kind of scorching growth, and that's where kind of we used to take plunge in. But there is a hype cycle. So what happens is stocks or earnings grow or top line grows at about say 100% per annum, but the stocks will grow 200-300%. So the hype. So you ride the hype cycle. And right at the top, it becomes so, compelling. I can sell the story to even a person like him or anybody, and you sell, while selling the story, you are obsessed and you allocate. And that's where the maximum allocation comes right at the top of the hype cycle. And everywhere you are right, but you are right only for 6 months. The hype cycle will collapse in less than 6. This is called Gartner's hype cycle. You can go and see. We have written in one of the papers. But so any hypes, but then you incur massive loss because the drop is almost 50-60%. So you invested say 1,000 crores, straight you will get to see 500 crores loss. So I mean I've incurred once, okay, and I've seen earlier also, but now the losses are bigger because of my investment size is bigger.